आसमां आसमां दिल मेरा आसमां उड़ चला अब तेरे साथ में।
ऑडियंस तो हमेशा ही रहे हमसे बना नहीं रहे, जब बनाओगे तो आएंगे ही।
Up until 2025, I was not confident about the way I looked. I felt like maybe I'm a misfit.
करली बाल हैं तो करली बाल वाले हीरो नहीं बनते, तो वैसा है तो तू एक काम कर, बाल स्ट्रेट करा के आ, एक बार स्ट्रेट करा के भी ले लेते।
खामियां हो ठीक है, उसी के साथ जी लेंगे, क्योंकि आप जिस खामियों को छुपा रहे हो कोई और उसको ढूंढ रहा है।
क्या बात।
So a big thank you to all those people who've been spreading fake rumors. I don't want to involve any other actor in this.
Also, I have to tell you, I love your pants.
I love
Thank you.
it. I was in fact just like to
Thank
be styling.
I was someone who's very uncomfortable in what I wore. So this
Really?
has been the last 1 year that I have said, मैं जो पहनूंगा।
क्या बात है।
I will
क्या बात है।
आसमां आसमां
दिल मेरा आसमां उड़ चला अब तेरे साथ में, क्यों कहाँ सोचेंगे बाद में।
I think मुझे और इंट्रोड्यूस करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because everyone got to know that we are here to talk about दो दीवाने शहर में,
हाँ जी।
and we have Siddhant Pranal and Ravi Udayvar. Thank you for your time. Welcome to Hindustan Times.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
The title, the vibes as the two leads have already depicted, they took me back to the 70s for Amol Palekar sir's films. And the reason is because तब simple कहानियाँ होती थी जो relatable love stories कहती थी. And somehow in the few years since the pandemic, we have come to believe that बड़ा है तो बेहतर है. Films need to have certain kinds of things in them to make them saleable, as the word goes. Is this a course correction, or is this just you doing your thing?
It's I think need of the hour. I feel like there will be big movies made.
Right.
Even in the earlier days, they were big films, but they were always beautiful small films. I know Rishikesh Mukherjee's film, Basu Chatterjee's film.
Yeah.
They had so many people watching them. Audience तो हमेशा ही रहे हमसे बना नहीं रहे, जब बनाओगे तो आएंगे ही। तो ये वही है, कोर्स करेक्ट भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि संजय सर का वो ड्रीम था कि एक ऐसी फिल्म बनाए, प्यारी सी फिल्म बनाएंगे रवि, कि अभी ना इन सबके बीच में एक फूल खिलेगा।
क्या
इट्स दैट मोमेंट, एंड आई न्यू दैट कि उन्होंने जब बोल दिया ना कि हाँ यानी ये जो विजन है करेक्ट है, तो हिम बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर इज जस्ट लेट्स मेक इट ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि फिल्मों में वही एक मिसिंग चीजें लगती है। लव स्टोरीज वी हैव सीन इट एज ग्रोइंग अप, और यही जो जिन डायरेक्टर्स की मैंने बात करी है, उनके फिल्मों को देख के हम खुश होते थे, हंसते थे। इट्स अबाउट देम, इट्स अबाउट ऑल द फ्लॉज, फैमिली, who we were, like a middle class then. It's changed a lot.
Yes.
But we still got to tell the story for those people, those audience, and a relatable story.
Right.
I think it's important to tell a realistic story in a time that we are going through today.
True.
And it's about these two people, and it's also about finding your voice, finding your, who you are, is this film is all about. And both of them, they've done a fabulous job, and they understood the assignment. And this story is about them, as people and how they fall in love.
I think the best love stories are best human stories. When you talk about human emotions, I was reading the comments on the trailer, and one of the top comments was, "It's a joke of the year when Mrunal says, मैं इतनी सुंदर नहीं हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ?"
Okay.
And I completely agree with that, but I also completely agree with where your character is coming from, because in our country, no matter how you look, you are made to believe कि आप वो
Not
fit
good
नहीं
enough.
करते हैं. You don't fit the conventional stereotypes. Have you faced that?
Of course, and that's probably the only reason why I'm a part of this film.
Right.
And I think there are a lot of people out there, not just girls, but even boys, for a matter of fact, who've been in that shell, who's so underconfident because someone in the past or in their childhood must have said that, you're not good enough, or look, there would always be a comparison, like, see, your siblings are doing so much better. Why don't you learn something from them? So I think that's something that resonated the most with me, and immediately it took me literally like 30 seconds to hop on this film. I feel like it's so important for me to resonate, and it also reflects on screen. So when people said it's a joke, thank God they think it, because what they see is not something that I see that as well. Up until 2025, I was not confident about the way I looked. I felt like maybe I'm a misfit. Maybe I felt like I'm not good enough, because the standards of beauty set then were completely different. Right now, beauty lies in being authentic.
Sure.
Beauty is to be comfortable in your own skin, and here I am after that long journey, somewhere found a space where I am comfortable with the way I am.
And that's very important, because if you're not comfortable, you can't bring that to the screen, to anywhere in your life, like not just the screen, in any walk of life, right?
Agree.
Yeah. I have to ask you, आपके character को ना rejection मिला है यहाँ पे, for many reasons. Among them is his I wouldn't call it a list, but his pronunciation. If you have been rejected in life, what is the most like off the record reason that you have been rejected for? कि मतलब इस चीज के लिए भी कोई किसी को reject कर सकता है, which you felt was like weird.
सर ऐसा है कि रिजेक्शन तो खैर बहुत सारे मिले हैं जब संघर्ष चल रहा था एक्टिंग में आने का, लेकिन मुझे याद है एक रिजेक्शन जो कि रह गया मेरे साथ बहुत समय तक, जहाँ पे मैंने एक फिल्म का ऑडिशन दिया था। मैं शायद सीए छोड़ा था मैंने, 1-2 साल हुए थे, एक ऑडिशन दिया था, मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था उसके लिए, और वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह हुए बहुत सारे, और कहीं ना कहीं मैं उसमें ढल गया किरदार में। मेरा पहला वो था, मुझे लग गया कि यार अभी जस्ट सीए छोड़ा था मैं, फ्रेश फेस जीता था मैं, मुझे लगा यार एक ही साल में फिल्म मिल रही है लीड में, मतलब इतना आसान होता है तो कमाल है यार। तो मैं ऑडिशन देता गया, डायरेक्टर को मैं पसंद था, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को मैं पसंद था, मैंने 3-4 महीने मतलब उस पर वर्कशॉप वगैरह की। उसके बाद जो प्रोड्यूसर थे, आई थिंक स्क्रीन टेस्ट देखा और उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया। ठीक है, तो अब मैंने पूछा अपने कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से कि क्यों, क्या, तो उन्होंने कहा कि यार क्या कह रहे हैं कि वो कर्ली बाल हैं, तो कर्ली बाल वाले हीरो नहीं बनते, तो वैसा है, तो तू एक काम कर, बाल स्ट्रेट करा के आ, एक बार स्ट्रेट करा के भी ले लेते हैं। तो मैंने कहा कि ठीक है सर,
करते हैं,
बेगर्स आर नॉट चूजर्स। मैंने कहा, मैं बाल स्ट्रेट करवाए मैंने, और बहुत ही वाहियात लग रहा था स्ट्रेट बालों के साथ, यहाँ तक ऐसे आ गया था बाल अजीब से। तो दोस्तों ने बहुत मजाक उड़ाया, बट मेरे दोस्त गए थे मुझे लेके साथ में, फुल स्ट्रेटनिंग वेटनिंग कराया एकदम यहाँ तक, ऐसे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था मैं। और फिर जब उस चीज़ का ऑडिशन हुआ तो अगेन उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं यार बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेट हैं बाल। मैंने कहा यार ये क्या क्राइटेरिया है किसी को रिजेक्ट करने का। और मुझे याद है कि उसके बाद वो मैं जब रिजेक्शन हो गया, फाइनली एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, मैंने जाके बाल शेव कर लिए अपने, और मैं आउट ऑफ नॉट लाइक आई वाज सो सैड कि मैंने बाल ही शेव कर लिया अपना। तो वो चीज़ काफ़ी समय तक मेरे साथ रही, वो चीज़ को लेकर। और फिर क्योंकि मुझे मेरी माँ को मेरे बाल बहुत पसंद है, घुंघराले बाल, और बहुत ही कर्ली बाल, इतने सुंदर हैं, क्यों तुम्हें मतलब करना है। और मैं हमेशा थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स में रहता था कि थोड़े सीधे कर लूँ, थोड़ा ब्लो ड्राई कर लूँ, थोड़े स्ट्रेटनिंग कर लूँ, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लाता था। मम्मी बोलती थी नहीं, जैसे कर्ली बाल है वैसे ही सही है, लोग रुको तेल लगा देती हैं तो और घने हो जाएंगे। मैं बोला मम्मी तेल वेल मत लगाया करो यार, और घने हो जाएंगे और ये हो जाएंगे। तो इस चीज़ को काफ़ी समय तक चला। और मुझे याद है जब गली बॉय हुई तो मेरे बड़े बड़े बाल, इनसाइड एज में तो कर्ली बाल थे मेरे, लेकिन जब गली बॉय में बड़े बाल थे, स्क्रीन टेस्ट हुआ तो जोया मैम ने, बिकॉज वो रैपर था और उनका एक सर्टेन विजन था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि यार इसको ट्राई करते हैं, क्रू कट में ट्राई करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं। नथिंग टू डू विथ, बिकॉज शी इज द वन हू वांटेड माय कर्ली हेयर इन खोग्याम का, बिकॉज इट सूटेड द कैरेक्टर। बट जब उन्होंने मेरे कर्ली बाल काटे, बस कट किया, तो मैं बहुत सही लग रहा था यार। तो मैं तो बड़ा खुश हो के घर गया। मम्मी थोड़ी दास हो गई थी, यार पहली फिल्म है, लड़के को हीरो बनना है, बाल ही नहीं है। मैंने बोला नहीं आएंगे मम्मी, बाल आएंगे, घर की खेती आ जाएंगे आज। और अब देखिए सीधे मतलब पोस्टर पे कर्ली बाल ही है। और तो वो होता है, एक रिजेक्शन ही काफी समय तक रहा। उसके बाद आई कंप्लीटली आई एम ओके विद द वे आई एम। एंड
I found it very interesting that two different questions, same theme of answers about how he had a problem with his hair. Not a problem, but he thought it could be better. You were not comfortable in how you looked like, and you guys are probably role models for millions of people. Yeah. So a lesson to everyone who's watching you, that it's okay to not be comfortable with yourself, because that time can come when you can get to be there and be comfortable with yourself. वो हमेशा पैदाइशी नहीं होता हर एक में to be there, right?
एक और चीज़ मुझे बोलते थे जो मैं शायद नहीं कभी नहीं बोली, because I don't know how it will be taken by the little borderline, but they used to call me, because मेरी आंखें छोटी हैं, तो they used to call me, मुझे नेपाली करके चढ़ाते थे स्कूल में हमेशा। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है। और ये चीज़ें बार बार होती गई। जब 1-2 बार और भी कहा गया कि आंखें छोटी हैं, सिनेमाटोग्राफर्स को बड़ी आंखें पसंद है, तुम थोड़े से वो नेपाली लगते हो, तो तो मैं बोला तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इतनी सारी कहानियां हैं मतलब उस रीजन की, आप रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे ही नहीं रहे हो। जो हमारा गोरखा रेजिमेंट है, वो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टफुल, एंड माई ड्रीम इज एक्चुअली, मैं बहुत सारी आर्मी फिल्म आई थी, but my always dream was, if that was the case, if I can even closely represent, I want to do that, because they need to come in mainstreams, and now we are seeing that a lot of people are coming in the mainstream, because जो गाना है धुरंधर में रिबेल करके एक रैपर है, उन्होंने किया, I recently collaborated with her in a song, we made a song for a brand, and she comes from the northeast, and I'm like so proud, and I can see the representation coming in and in, because we cannot let that, like, you know, crowd feel that, oh, you cannot come in the mainstream.
Exactly.
And there's hardly any representation in the mainstream as a hero or a heroine, and we need that very much. And I am, you know, if this goes right, and this is my manifestation, that one day I want to play, you know, a guy from the northeast or maybe the Gorkha regiment. That's my army film, if ever.
We will discuss that once that happens, because you just put it out to the universe. Once that will happen, and then we'll talk about it.
Absolutely.
I'll come back to the film with one thing, and this is a question for all three of you, that एक ना accusation लगता है this generation, Gen Z or whatever you want to call it, that they find excuses in love. They're not as serious, they're not as intense sometimes. As someone from the outside, not from that generation, what do you think when you're telling a love story that is so contemporary? Is that true, or are they misunderstood?
I feel world has changed a lot. There were simpler times earlier, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है, I wouldn't call it distraction, but I think, you know, you're raised by certain kind of people with certain ideas, and you pass it on, and the next generation, so that your kids, what you're going to part on, and the kind of world that they live in, it's very different. And I truly understand what they're going through, because it's what they're watching, what they're consuming. It's so much of what is good, and they think, oh, maybe I don't, you know, if that is good, then maybe I'm not there yet. So that complexity, that, you know, you carry that. And like I said, you know, it's in a time of selfie, we're trying to tell a true love story. Like selfies, like you put your best self out there, saying this is my best thing. But no, the way you are, it's okay. You can pick any angle. Like, can you accept that? Are you brave enough to accept your flaws, to be that person? Because then nothing would matter. So I think it's an understanding. I think the generations going through that, and you can't control it. It's actually a self, you know, you're going to understand as you go through that love, you fail, and you realize what matters is not what I projected it. It's who I am inside. So it's okay to be flawed. It's okay. जो खामियां हैं वो ठीक है, उसी के साथ जी लेंगे, क्योंकि आप जिस खामियों को छुपा रहे हो, कोई और उसको ढूंढ रहा है।
क्या बात है।
So इस चीज के लिए हमने इस कहानी को रिप्रेजेंट किया है कि कोई भी बुरा या अच्छा नहीं होता, आप में जो खामियां है वो आपकी अच्छाइयां है। So just be yourself.
वो आपको आप बनाती है।
हाँ, क्योंकि आप स्मॉल टाउन से आते हो, यू नो, सबको लगता है कि अर्बन स्टोरी है, ये अर्बन स्टोरी है, लेकिन उसका लेंस इतना ब्यूटीफुल है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे एक स्मॉल टाउन बॉय जो सिटी आता है तो इंटिमिडेट पहले फील करता है, यार मैं रेस्टोरेंट जाऊंगा या नहीं जाऊंगा। लेकिन ये जो डर है ना, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ यार, तू जैसा है ना वैसे ही ठीक है, तू अच्छा है, डर मत, जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा। यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, यू हैव टू एम्ब्रेस इट, and that's when everything opens out.
Now, what do you think? Like, this accusation of the younger generation not being as serious in love or in things in life, how much is that a projection?
It's not like they don't want to, they want to, but the times have changed. It's a world of 24-hour like stories, social media page, or everything is about 24 hours. And the problem is that the only thing that is missing is consistency and efforts. I think today's generation is giving up not just on love, but many other things. Like, I feel like there is a lot of issues with the kids and their parents. There is no communication. They barely have time to communicate with them. Even though if there is a turmoil that the child is going through, he or she may not feel comfortable to share it with the mom and dad, because they feel like my parents are always at work, I don't know how to express, and I don't have that bond, and who shares problems with parents, you know, that mind of that. And also there are so many terms, like while I was growing up, I had no idea that इस situation के लिए ये नाम है. There is benching, there is ghosting, there is orbiting, there is simping, there are so many other things. Which I feel like we have only introduced these terms, and we have only made things so complicated in this validation, and we
Yeah.
need this constant validation. I think no matter these two, Shashank and Roshni, even if they are in this era, but they are very old school in
Right.
that. And today, even the Gen Zs or the Gen Alpha or
Gen
whichever, they all want old school love. If you ask them, they all crave for old school love. I think through Do Deewane Seher mein, it's a conscious effort to make a movie where an emotion like love should be alive, should be like the younger generation should not give up on love. They should hope to find not just a better partner, but a partner who would embrace their flaws, their cherish and celebrate all their victories, success, failures. Eventually, that's all we want. We want to enjoy, have fun, but just to give up easily is something that I wish that we could literally not give up on your partner, not give up on your parents, or not give up on your dreams. And that's what reflects in Do Deewane Seher mein, beautifully directed by Sir. And I feel like I'm really blessed that in a era like this, you remember when Pico had come in that time, at that time, it was such a flavorful, different approach towards, it was a slice of life. And so is Do Deewane Seher mein, जो कि हम लोग ने देखा है, अमोल पालेकर सर का गाना है, जरीना मैम का गाना है, ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म से वही सब कुछ वही है, कुछ नहीं बदला. लोग बदल गए होंगे शायद, बट उनकी जो ज़रूरतें हैं वो सेम ही है. So I just want, and I want to request everybody to not give up on love so easily.
I'll come to the both of you again for one thing, that this film is about finding a partner, life partner, marriage. वो तो single people, शादी का pressure है घर से या नहीं है? Like pressure या just like
नहीं, बस settle हो जाओ. So but I think they are also right, because when I remember when my mom was 33, she already had like 3 children by then.
Okay, different times, but yeah, I get it.
Different times. But they also understand that it's not easy to be an actor, to be, dodging South cinema and Hindi cinema, and at the same time trying to have a family of your own. It's not easy. जो लोग जिनकी शादियाँ हो चुकी मेरे इर्द गिर्द मेरे दोस्तों की, for them, like when they have children and all, they say, Mrunal, we can never imagine what you are doing. And I was like, I can never imagine what you are doing.
True.
So life is tough. Actor बनना इतना आसान नहीं होता. It's literally to be as good as a sannyasi. You have to be so focused. You have to literally give up on food, your sleeping cycle, no matter what. You have to be disciplined, and it comes at a cost. So I just feel when the time is right, it will all happen.
Of course, social media तो आपकी कल करा दे, वो तो खैर
वो तो हो रही है ना.
No, but just to ask, I'm not asking your comment on that, but it's a byproduct of who we elevate film stars to, that we want to know about their personal lives more than probably what they're working on. Does that annoy you that you're here to work?
Sir, you know what? Up until now, I didn't have PR team. Okay, I had to hire a team to sort things out because my home address was out on in the media and stuff like that. So for that, to protect myself, I had to have a team. But I have realized that no matter, even if I spend like 3 crores, 6 crores, 10 crores, itni publicity मुझे कभी नहीं मिलेगी. So a big thank you to all those people who've been spreading fake rumors. I don't want to involve any other actor in this, but one thing I want to say is I am a very open person. If there is anything in my life, I will put it out. Or I don't get annoyed at all. I laugh it out because if I'm spending my energy on those rumors, I would not be able to focus on my career, on the things that I'm doing. I think I'm looking at 10 steps ahead. My aim, my dream is to be not just successful, but to be a person who is at peace.
Yes.
And this is all noise. Brad Pitt ने जो Formula 1 में कहा ना, ये सब आवाजें होती है. This is all noise. You have to focus on what you got to do. You need to focus on why you're doing what you do. You need to focus that you need to keep doing what you love. So I'm just here romanticizing, romancing the camera. I want to be the only constant partner that I have is me and my camera.
Perfect.
Period.
To close it off, same question for you. शादी का प्रेशर है घर से या नहीं है? या छोड़ दिया उन्होंने आप पे?
मुझ पे ही छोड़ा है. सजेशन है.
Suggestion. That's a very polite way of doing things in Indian middle class households.
सजेशन है, बट ऐसा कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. वो खुश हैं जब तक मैं खुश हूँ. मेरे से उन पे प्रेशर है एक्चुअली.
अच्छा.
कि देखिए भाई, मेरा तो अभी उनका क्या होता है कि यार तुम शायद शादी कर लो तो कोई कंपेनियन हम चिल कर सकें, तब तक तुम्हारा ध्यान रखेंगे। मेरा ये रहता है कि नहीं, अभी तो पता नहीं कब करूंगा मैं, तो आप लोग हेल्दी रहिए, आप लोग फिट रहिए, क्योंकि अगर कुछ आप लोग को हो गया तो फिर मेरा ख्याल कौन रखेगा। तो मैं रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी प्ले करके अब उनको जिम ज्वाइन करवाया मैंने।
बहुत ही बढ़िया।
या आप अभी अब मैं अकेला पड़ जाऊंगा यार, तो आप करो, तो मम्मी पापा जिम जाते हैं,
Love this
कि अब क्या
energy.
कर, जाके ट्रेडमिल पे हम ही रखें, आप करेगा।
So sweet. I need to do that.
Love this energy. You can take some notes from
Yes.
this. Yeah. Thank you for the time. I wish
Thank
we had
you.
more, but thank you for the conversation. Had a blast doing this, and I hope the audiences love Do Deewane Seher mein more than you guys have while making it.
Thank you.
And
दो
also I
दीवाने
have to-
शहर में 20th February. Don't
20th of February. Also, I have to tell you, I love your pants.
I
think
love
that's-
it. I was,
Yeah.
in fact, just like to
Thank
like your styling. Cool.
I was someone who's very uncomfortable in what I wore. So this has been the last 1 year that I have said, मैं जो पहनूंगा.
क्या बात है।
I will
क्या
wear
बात
it.
है,
Yeah.
यही
And
तो
see,
है।
हाँ.